everyone, so bit of a different video today because today is finally the day that I can go ahead, go in store and actually see my brand in the shops. So if you've been around on my channel for I guess the last couple of months, you'd know that I am launching my brand in a new retail store. So it's so exciting. I mean, as fellow candle makers and business owners, I'm sure you can imagine, like, it's just amazing. Like, I can't believe this is actually happening. So I'm really excited to take you along on the journey with me. It's been a long time in the making. I was contacted by this company back in January, so it has been quite a while that I've had to like not be able to say anything and like just wait until I was like officially like given the go ahead and, you know, like we're officially in. So I'm so excited. Thank you so much for everybody that has like supported me along the way. If you follow me on the Small Biz Directive, which is my new candle making account, depending on when you followed me, you'd already know which store it is. So go ahead and follow me there if you kind of want to see more like day-to-day things. It's like basically the account where I can be more like in real time and show you what's going on. And yeah, I'm just so excited. I'm just kind of like getting ready and like wanting to look presentable because of course I'm going to be taking lots of photos and like really just celebrating the moment. And to help me celebrate this day, I was contacted by Ana Luisa, a New York jewelry company, which is just so exciting and is like really helping me make this day feel like even extra special. They gifted me a couple of items I'd love to share with you. So the first pair of earrings I have are the Suzanne Huggy earrings, and I think they're the perfect classic earring that goes with anything. The speedy delivery paired with the fact that the prices start at a really affordable price point, which is about $39, I think it makes an ideal gift for either yourself or a loved one. So the next pair I have are the Elise earrings. Again, they're a Huggy style and they have a really lovely pear drop cubic zirconia crystal, which I think is really beautiful and super sparkly. Other than the beautiful jewelry, I think my favourite thing about Ana Luisa is the fact that they are so focused on sustainability. They offset 100% of their carbon emissions, starting off with the sourcing of their raw materials as well as the disposal of any pieces. The final pair I have to show you are the Rachel earrings, and these are just so beautiful. It's got a cute little freshwater pearl dangling from it, and I think this is something I could wear for years on end and it won't look dated. If any of these earrings took your fancy, you can go ahead and click the link in the description box and use the code Ishani10 for 10% off your purchase. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for gifting me like something so special for my day. I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everybody that has reached out to me and like given me so much support. It's just been amazing. I'm gonna get emotional, but it's really exciting. And to, oh god, I'm actually gonna start crying. I just like dabbed it off because I'm like literally ready to go and I really don't want to redo my makeup. And to be honest, I'm surprised I'm even crying because I've like, it's been so stressful and just getting it all done. It's been a lot of pressure to kind of make it sure it's perfect, so I think it's just like kind of unbelievable that the day is actually here. But we're basically here and I can finally show you it's the outside. Okay, it's a bit awkward to film, but basically we're in Harrods Beauty. So we're finally here and basically it's in Harrods Beauty, and I'll just show you my collection. And how cool is that? I can't believe it. It's a bit awkward to talk, so I'm gonna go give you guys a debrief later on. I'm gonna take loads of photos, basically come and update you later on. Hey guys, so I am back home. I'm still buzzing from today. I don't know how good the footage I got was, but just in case you didn't quite get it from the footage, because it was quite chaotic in there and really noisy, so I'm not sure how the audio is going to turn out. But Luna London is in Harrods H Beauty, which still honestly blows my mind. I even like seeing it in real life. I feel like I didn't really quite like, I don't know, it's just a bit weird. It's like something that I made is in Harrods H Beauty. Like, it's just mad. So to be in the same space, in the same shop as, you know, Armani and Yves Saint Laurent and like all these incredible brands, and my little brand, Luna London, something that, you know, I just thought of and just kind of got together, and all of that is just incredible for me. It's incredible to be able to see it. Even though I haven't absorbed it, I just think it's like a huge milestone for my business. I mean, come on. But I have to say, I feel like it's my responsibility to like put this out there, is that I know that by seeing my business you may be comparing yourself with it and, you know, thinking, oh, I might not be able to get there or anything like that, but in reality you can totally do it. When I was working as a mechanical engineer and I saw all these other people that had successful businesses, I thought that they must be way more smarter than me, way more talented than me, and like all this like other stuff that I just didn't have, or I thought I didn't have. So I understand that it's really daunting to see that. Like, while it may be exciting, it might be daunting as well, and you might like, it's like human nature to be able to compare ourselves. But I would say is just start your business and just take it step by step, and you'll definitely get there. And one thing that I would highly recommend you not do is don't limit yourself. So when I started my business, a cousin of mine actually said, oh, you could be like this brand, and it was like this really amazing brand, and I was like, no I can't. Like, in my mind, I didn't say it to him, but my initial thought was, no I can't be, like, that's, you know, some amazing person that's done this amazing brand. Mine's just going to be kind of like bog standard, nothing special. And I'll go ahead and share my like initial logo with you, the first Luna London logo, so you can kind of see that it's not something that just happened overnight. Like, if you're starting out, I don't feel like that, you know, you have to do all this like straight away. So it took me a year to kind of get myself. So I started making candles in February-ish 2020 and only launched in November. So it took me a really like good chunk of time to be able to get to a position where, you know, things looked good. So I would say take it slow, but also don't limit yourself. Don't think that you can't create a beautiful brand, or you can't be in Harrods or Selfridges or wherever it is that you want to stock your candles, because you totally can. And don't believe that, you know, the market is oversaturated, because when I started, that's what people were saying. There's too many people making candles, you know, it's oversaturated. Please be sure to niche down. It's the best way to be able to be noticed in like a huge ocean of like candle makers. And yeah, I would just say, just keep at it. People may be smarter than you or more talented than you, or whatever it is that you may think, but they're not you, and they're not what you can bring to the table. So always feel like empowered in yourself to be able to go through and like follow your gut instinct, and your whatever you're inspired by, just go out there and do it. So another thing that I would say, I personally like had this just limitation in my mind, was that, you know, I launched in November, but I thought to myself, oh, I'll go into retail maybe a year or two in. Like, it's not something that I don't think I could do so soon. So when this opportunity came up in January, which was 2 months after my launch, it made me realise that why was I limiting myself into thinking that it had to be a year or two down the line? Like, why? It really opened my mind to think that, you know, it was just something that seemed like a safe option. So I would say, if you are trying to play safe, don't just go for it. Just go for it as hard as you can. Put your best effort into it, and you know, you'll create amazing things. And I totally, like, I know it's easy for me to say it, like, having my candles and having been through this whole process, and it was a really big ask of a business that was only 2 months old, to be approached by such a like luxury retailer. Honestly, it's just I know people might think that it's like really exciting and stuff, and it is, but it's probably more scary because you have way more responsibility, you can't mess up, and yeah, it's just a lot of pressure. So yeah, I just wanted to put it out there to just go after what you want to do and don't let anyone stop you. Don't let, like, you know, limiting beliefs or what you think is like you should be doing, don't go after that. Just do you. So before I close out this video, please don't forget to have a look at the description box below for the beautiful Ana Luisa jewelry, which I'm so excited and so like proud to be like collaborating with them, because honestly their company goals and ethos are just amazing. So the code was Ashani10 if you wanted a 10% off to treat yourself or treat anyone special. So thank you so much for all of your support, like whether it's here on YouTube or on my shop or anywhere else. Like, I really appreciate it. It's just, you know, incredible. And I'm so happy to be able to share this moment with you guys. And until my next video, bye.